Hello everybody. Today I am going to tell you how to upload design in Redbubble. This is a very popular website where you can put all your POD designs, and after your upload button, your image has to be in TIFF format or in PNG format so that your design is very clear. Your artwork should be very clear. In here you have to fill all your descriptions, all your tags and title very nicely, very clearly, and very popular names you have to put over here, which is as per your artwork, so that when the customer search for you for your design can actually get it very well after your search tags. So you have to think properly and write all the details properly over here, and after filling all these things, your image is completely saved. When you finish with your descriptions and title and all these details required over here, your image will be completely seen and your title will be seen, and you can come down and you can see all the I'm filling it very properly. The tag is very important to view for the customers when they select for their choice. They type some keywords which should match with your design, and accordingly your design will be sellable. The tagging and the description is very much important. The more you describe your design, the more you will be pick up in the market. You see, the more your design is picked up, the more your design gets sold, and then you get the proper commission and a good commission. So you have to be very good with your tagging and description. Please keep this thing in the mind. And now after finishing all these things, I'm going a little below, which is all the apparels and the accessories will be shown. Now I've clicked the edit button over here, which is in the right side in the corner of this t-shirt, and you can see the colors over here in the boxes they are given. Now I'm trying to see this image is going well with which of the background t-shirt colors, so that I can select for it. I'm changing the colors as per my print which I have, the artwork which I have taken over here, and accordingly I'm just seeing if I can. Now there are different styles in these slot. This particular design, there are 6, 7, 8, 9 styles over here. So you have to change all the styles background colors, so that otherwise it will take the default colors of its own, and that might not go well with your artwork. So you have to keep selecting all the garments, all the silhouettes, and accordingly your artwork will be will settle with it. And you have to adjust your artwork also, try to see that it will be come out. Then you apply changes as I have shown it, and then you can go to the other garment. See to that by default some are enabled, some designs are enabled, and if some designs are not enabled, you can select those. You can click those buttons to make it enable. Now I have taken the second option. Here also there are 3 type of garment is there: men's collection, women collection, and this is a long t-shirt. So here also I'm changing the background color, and accordingly I'm doing the apply changes, and here the red button, you can see this is apply changes. If you can adjust the images size also where you want it, exactly how below the chest or above the chest, or how much down towards the neckline. It's better to keep it in a proper place. Otherwise, after selecting all these things, it won't change. You have to do all the changes here only where you exactly want your printout to be. So accordingly you can change all the all the models over here. There are mobile covers, coasters, and there are many things. Redbubble provides you so many of options that it will really make you feel very excited. Here the color thing is not given by default like the upper t-shirts we are having. these are the colors where you can pick by your own, you know. So you can change your color according to your choice, or you can set in the default also coloring, which is there in the top level. And here I'm selecting again something which is going very well with the, you know, face of the line combination tiger. So, you know, you have to just keep seeing it, and you can just drag it little up so that you can really see the output, because sometimes it happens the images which you are creating is looking different, and when it is used in the, you know, mobile or in the laptop cover, it doesn't look the same as is over here. So you have to slide it up and down, and you can just see the exact result of it, and accordingly you apply the changes. So for each and everything you have to do a bit of changes, you have to do bit of editing, you have to do it, otherwise you know, computer takes all the by default changes according to itself only, and that might go against your artwork. So please don't worry about it. Slowly and patiently you do it, you'll get your best output. So here also see there's a color option exactly after your artwork uploading. Here also if you take one color choice over here, this color will be used in all the other accessories below. Like how I was picking up the color in one part, and you can change color there also, and you can change here also. If I change here in this corner, this color will be used for all the accessories, the same color will be used for all the here all the things. See, you can see I have used a pink yellow color over here. I picked up the yellow color, and you can see all the yellow colors have been given to this background. You can change the background color here also, but this is the way which I do it. Like if I feel like a particular one color is going very well with my artwork, I select this particular one color, and then I just let it go for the all POD designs, you know. Now see, you can see over here I have used the mango color over here, which is going with all the accessories over here, all the bags and the jugs and mugs and everything, you know. So you just then have to concentrate only in the artwork size, where you can increase and decrease. Now my mug artwork was going out of the border, so I was just making it little less so that it fits into the mug size. Now this is the bag, which is okay. Now this is enable is not done. Some of the enables are by default the status Redbubble does it, you know, they select it, and you can deselect or select by your own choice. If you feel like this artwork is not going well with my clock or with my other accessories, so just deselect it. Here there are repeat options where you can repeat the same artwork in so many different ways. If you want your artwork to be only one time to be seen in your accessories, you can show it once, and if you want it in a repeat way, you can select the repeat way also. So it's a very nice, very exciting job over here, and it's a really creative part. So you just have to, it always at the first time it's little messy, but when you keep doing it, you will be completely comfortable and you will know in and out of it. So the more you will practice, the more you will go with. Today my voice is little going bad. I have a bad cough also, so sorry for my bad throat. Please bear with me. Okay, now let me continue with it. Now the bag designs also, you have to see the artwork where you want to place it. It can be on the above pocket like this, so you can drag it and you have to put it over here. So and there you can get the bag properly output over there, or artwork over there. And in this big bag, you can carry bag, you can just take the artwork little upside. Yeah, you have to just drag it up so that the artwork is completely seen over here. If the artwork is down, it will be seen as a reverse one. So these are the things which you have to keep changing. Here I have selected 2 of the option, then you say no for the nudity and click the confirmation of terms and regulation, and then upload, submit it. So this is how you can submit all your Redbubble artwork. So it's a very beautiful website where you can put all your desires, you can customize your designs, and you can go very with it, and you can become very friendly with it. So keep doing your creativity and upload like this. Now once you have uploaded all your artwork, you can see your artwork. The models are wearing over here, and you can see how your artwork will be actually visible. See how nice it is looking on the mask, on the hat, all on the boys t-shirts, the girls t-shirt, the couple t-shirts, how the color you have chosen, it has taken those color only. Sometime by default the colors are taken by Redbubble itself. So like this red color you have seen, I have not chosen anywhere, but it just took it. Otherwise it tries to take all your colors whatever you have tried to mention it. So just don't worry, ignore it if somewhere something is little out of your likes. So these are the things which you will get, and you can see the as per the artwork how you have placed it is showing over here, and very well organized. You can see everything whatever you have done, the adjustment, everything is just crystal and clear, which is shown over here. And you can download the image like this. This is how you can see how you have the image download, and you can download the image from here. One image is having 4-5 options. You can take the best one and you can download it, and you can throw it in the Facebook, Instagram, or you can keep it for yourself, or you can show it to your friends through WhatsApp. You can just go on and on. Yeah, this is how you can do it. Now, yeah, see, this is the best thing. Now you can do all the other stuff also. You can take any of the artwork over here. You can select any of the particular thing, and you can download the images. You can, in all the images, there are always 2 to 3 or 4 options which you can download, and you can really see how good it is looking. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.